Hello, today let's talk about your electromechanical parking brake on your Audi A4 S4 Avant. Your vehicle is equipped with an electric mechanical parking brake system. The parking brake replaces the conventional handbrake, and it is mainly intended to prevent the vehicle from rolling away accidentally. And you have a knob or lever to switch it on and push to switch it off. Because we have an apply and release in the parking brake manually option. To apply the parking brake, we pull the button with the P in the center console near the shifter. The LED in the button will light up. In addition, the warning indicator lamp in red or in green will light up in the instrument cluster. To release the parking brake manually, press the brake or accelerate the pedal with the ignition switched on and simultaneously press the button, parking brake. The LED and the button on the warning indicator lamp on the display will go out, of course, and you are free and can go where you like. And it's a releasing park brake automatically function built in. The driver's door must be closed, that the driver's seat belt must be buckled, and the indicator lamp in front of you on the display has to be in a green conditions. It must be displayed in the instrument cluster. Then it's possible to make an automatically releasing function. So have a look there. Everything is now ready, and it is red again. That means now we are still in manual way. But if we are going to switch on, then it is green. So you are releasing the parking brake automatically, like now. When the warning lamp in the instrument cluster is lit red, the conditions of the automatic release of parking brake have not been met. We release the parking brake manually. Further features and safety functions are available for driving off. In addition to the automatic thing of the brake releasing function can be off or on, and preventing the parking brake from being released automatically in certain situations. For example, on a steep hill or when towing a trailer, we may wish to prevent the vehicle from rolling back. To prevent the parking brake from being released automatically, we pull and hold the button in the center console while you press the accelerator. The parking brake will remain engaged and prevent any tendency to roll back down the slope. We can release the button again as soon as the engine has delivered enough power to the wheels. And then we are ready to roll. Or we are ready to park again automatically if we like that. Yeah, that's a cool thing. This is an electromechanical parking brake system. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.